Hey everybody, I hope you're doing well. This is John from IT Key Training, and it's time for another Tuesday's Tips and Tricks. So let's say you're on a nice romantic date and the mood lighting is just perfect. It's nice and intimate and you're having a great conversation, and the table next to you decides it's too dark to read their menus. So they pull out their iPhones and they turn on the flash. And it blinds everybody, and you're kind of like this because you know it's really ruining the mood. I'm going to show you how not to be that person. Now, we're going to say that this magazine, which has nice small print, is going to be a menu. And I'm going to take my phone and I'm going to access something called Control Center. Now, depending on your phone, it's a little different how you access it. If you have a home button, you're going to take your finger from below the bottom of the screen and swipe up. If you have an iPhone 10 or something without a home button, you're going to swipe down from the upper right hand corner. So that's what I'm going to do. And the magnifier is the little magnifying glass with the plus sign in it. And when I hit that, I now have the ability to read what's on my screen without showing additional light. Now I can zoom in and zoom out with that little slider. I also, if I need to, I can touch what I need to focus on just like I would with my camera. And if there's something that I want to show someone else, if I hit the little white circle, just like I would on my phone, it's going to take sort of a picture of that point, and I now can just keep that one. So I'm moving that image around with my hand there. And when I'm done, I'm going to hit that circle again. Now, if I need more light, I can hit the little lightning bolt, and it's going to throw some light. Now you can see it's so bright, it's reflecting off the paper. So not a great choice. Most likely you're going to be able to see just fine with it magnified without additional light. All right? Don't be the person with the flashlight. You may be ruining someone's really wonderful date night, and that would be bad. Thanks so much for joining me. I look forward to seeing you next week with more iPhone tips and tricks. Take care.